Hey friends, this is Azif Purefell and welcome to the new update on JASMY. Finally, the price line of JASMY has once again reached this resistance of 1.92 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. Previously, it was working as a support here and as a support here, resistance here, and support here, resistance here, and support here. And now again, we are reset this resistance. It is acting as a resistance. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past almost 8 or 12 hours, it is breaking as a resistance. So far, the price line is not able to break it out, and I'm expecting that as soon as the price line breaks it out, then we may see another attempt for the breakout of this channel, and it can read the resistance here. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that first we broke out this big and long term falling wedge pattern, then we broke out this descending triangle as well. Then we had a very, very massive rally. By the way, I have been showing you this channel, this falling wedge pattern, even before the breakout for the past 2 years. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that the price line of Jasmy has rallied more than 2,069%. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Jasmy that I shared a few days ago on 14th of Feb 2025 with my members. And this signal produced more than 10% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Jasmy that I shared a few days ago on 14th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish garlic pattern that Jasmy formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And this was almost a more than 10% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let's move to the live chart of Jasmy. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this down channel since after 8th of December 2024. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce, and now the price is moving here sideways. By the way, during this recent drop, we have lost this very significant and long-term support of 1.92 cents, approximately at 2 cents. That was recently working as support here, and resistance here, support here, and support here. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. And for the past few hours, it is struggling to break it out. As soon as the price breaks it out, then it can reach the resistance of the channel here, approximately at 2.3 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target to the to the upside for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 5 cents. By the way, before that, we will also need to break out this very, very long-term up trend line resistance as well. Now we are switched back to the 7-day time frame chart, and here you can see that this up trend line resistance has been previously working as a very strong and long-term support since after the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, this was another bounce, and now finally we have broken it down, and now it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price. And by the way, where we have the target of this channel at 5 cents, over there we also have a quite long-term resistance zone as well. That resistance zone starts from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. Recently, it was working at a resistance zone here. You can see that we got few rejections here. And before that, it was working at a resistance zone here and support zone here back in the month of December 2021 as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And so far, the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, despite this very, very massive rally so far. A very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.